It's time to start listening to this. How many times have you been rejected by somebody else on an idea that you had? How many times have you walked away from a conversation feeling hopeless, helpless, and worthless? Stop trying to get permission from other people on the ideas that belong to you. Stop it right now. Your imagination is the gateway to your future life. Everything that is happening inside here is setting the foundations for everything that's going to happen outside of here. You see, your life is all about choice. You can choose to not listen to your dreams, you can choose to not listen to your imagination, and you can choose to not listen to your intuition. But you have to ask yourself, why are you having those dreams? Why are you getting those ideas? And why are you hearing those voices? Because those ideas, they belong to you. So how can you possibly expect somebody else to believe what you believe, to see what you see, to feel what you feel, when those ideas don't belong to them, they belong to you? It's time to stop using this and start using this. Your inner voice is your compass, your best friend, your teacher, and your guiding star. Don't ignore it. Start taking notice of what your imagination is trying to show you. Start taking action for what your dreams are trying to show you. It's time to stop knocking on that door, and it's time to open it. Listen to your dreams, follow your imagination,